Hello guys. In this video I will tell you regarding installation of pip on Windows. For this, you must have installed Python on your PC. Therefore, we will install Python first. Now open your browser and search Python. Now click on official site of Python. Then click on Downloads. Now click here to download Python. After downloading the file, run this file to install the Python on PC. Now install Python on your PC. Here you can see that installation is in progress. Now you can see that the setup with Python is installed successfully. Now I am going to install pip on Windows. For this, open your browser and type this link on your browser. From this page, click on Installation. Then click on this link. Now right-click and save this document on your PC. Here is your downloaded file and you can install it by simple double-clicking. Here you can see that installation is in progress. Now you can see that the installation of pip has been completed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.